Hello and welcome. This is my desk today, and as you can see I have still this very minimal style mic arm, and I freaking love it. And yeah, this is how I work when I record my voice at the computer. I got my pop filter here and my microphone behind it, and so the question basically is, how do I get rid of it when I don't record my voice, especially with this drawing tablet there? Well, you know, I used to just go like this and say, okay, I'll just move it to my right side. It'll just hang in there. All right? Wrong! I really did that for the first few weeks. Also, I used to have a mic stand which goes to the ground, which is not attached to the table, like this one is. But I had one that goes to the ground, and I actually used that one exactly like that. That's how I got used to this. Oh, let me just swing it out of my way so I can use my displays. And turns out this is a thing you have to learn or be taught. These things can do this thing. Yeah, they just hang in there. It doesn't make sense at first, but they can just go up there and stay there until you need them, and then you just pull them down, and you don't have to worry about this breaking off unless your table is made of paper. What you basically have to do, you have to adjust this and this thing and this thing, because if, let me just show you, if I just open this up a little, okay, a little is not enough to make it go crazy, I guess because the mic is a bit heavy. Actually, it's completely open now. Okay, now it's just going up much easier. So, whoa, there we go. So now I'm having problems keeping it down, because I made it a bit too loose. So let me just screw this a bit down. All right, that's, huh? Come on. There, that's perfect. And now I can move it up, and I can move it down. Very nice. And I'm not going to adjust that one, because that's the only one that I really want to be fixed. I want it to go up a little. This way it's the least blocking the screens while I'm using it. And this one over here, I can loosen that up. Let's see what's going to happen. Whoa, and it's jumping back. I don't really want that. You might want that if you are working while standing. But, and here is really the only moment where I'm a bit worried about my table, so I hold it down and I push it down, and then I just adjust this. Okay, that was not stiff enough. One more. And one more. And a little bit more. All right, I think this is back to the stiffness that I would like to have. My pop filter could use that stiffness? Is that the word you're supposed to be using for that? I have no idea. But basically that's how you do it. You just whoop, go away, whoop, come down. Super, super nice. The whole point of these things, if I understand correctly. So this is awesome. The arm still makes not a single sound. Doesn't squeak at all. Still beautiful. I did actually put one of the cables inside. I got a crazy video doing that. Highly recommend this arm. And I highly recommend you use it properly. Whoop, whoop. Oh, still a bit, could use a bit more. That's it. Hope this is useful. Let me know in the comments if you have any problems with your mic arm. And praise it in the comments if you love it too. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, ciao!